Today, I'm going to show you how to make a heart-shaped bracelet. Take the number 72 thread and cut 10 60 centimeters long strings. Then fold it in half and find the center point. Fix it with clips. Then put it into two groups. Each group has 5 strings. Take the rightmost string. Take the next string and tie a slip knot on it. I will not make a slip knot. Please pay attention to the video. Here I will show you how to make 2 slip knots. Tie it twice in a row and put it on the axis. It will be a complete slip knot. After tying the 3 strings in the same way, take the top string as the axis. Take the 4 strings on the right and tie a slip knot on the top of the axis. The way to tie a slip knot is the same. Tie it twice in a row and put it on the axis. Then continue to tie the 2 strings on the back. After tying the 2 strings, take the top string on the right as the axis. Take the 4 strings on the left and tie a slip knot on the top of the axis. I will show you how to make 2 slip knots on each side. Take the top string as the axis. Take the 3 strings on the left and tie a slip knot on the top of the axis. You can also follow the video and slowly weave it out. After weaving it out, there are 3 strings on one side. Take the string on the right as the axis. Take the string on the left and tie a slip knot on the top of the axis. Here we only need to tie a set of slip knots. Then take it off. Here I will divide the thread and tell you. The last set of slip knots is actually used to make the wrinkles. When we weave it, we need to turn it over. Turn it over to the back to make wrinkles. Then put all the strings on the same level, which is the average score. These 2 strings are pulled to the sides like this to make wrinkles. Then we fix it and start weaving. The wrinkled thread just came out is pulled as a wrinkled thread. Then these strings around the heart are tied with slip knots on the top. Similarly, I will only show you 2 here. I will speed up later. Because they are all the same weaving method, there is no difficulty. It's a loop. Put it on the axis twice in a row and tighten it. It's a complete slip knot. This side is like this after weaving. Then I will start weaving on the other side. Fix the side that has been woven. Then find the axis of this side to fix it. Pull out the axis. These strings are tied with slip knots on this axis. The loop is tied twice in a row on the axis and tightened. It's a complete slip knot. I won't show you later. It's all the same weaving method. It slowly forms a heart shape. Everyone can watch carefully. Let's take the 2 strings on the top of the heart and make a loop again. The heart shape is ready, right? Fix it again. Pull the loop over. The string is tied with slip knots on the top. Then I will change the side. Pull the loop over. All the strings are tied with slip knots on this axis. The heart shape is ready. Then remove the 3 ropes on the top and all the ropes on the bottom, leaving only 2 ropes in the middle. Then use scissors to cut off all the ropes. Be careful when cutting, don't cut your hands. Put on a kaleo bead on both sides. Fixed ends. Then take a 1 meter rope and fold it in half. Put it under the main line. Like in the video, alternate left and right to tie a knot. After tying the knot, push it up and continue to tie another knot. Take it out on the left, press it on the right, tighten it on the left. Take it out on the right, press it on the left, tighten it on the right. This is a complete knot. We just need to weave to the desired length. After weaving to the desired length, cut off the excess rope. Then use a lighter to burn the tip of the rope to prevent it from falling off. This is how we weave the heart shape. Now we make a lock to adjust the bracelet to the wrist. You can follow along with the video to make it or see how it's done in our previous videos. Is a lot. Put on a kaleo bead on both sides. Now tie the snake knot here. You can be able to weave bracelets, even the lock chain. And now we are finished making the heart-shaped bracelet. It's really pretty. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.